Recently, I was listening to a radio program, and one of the callers said, "May God not let us be a person with a single prayer point." And that sets me thinking. Do you understand that statement? A person with a single prayer point. Only sick people, critically sick people have a single prayer point. To them, nothing else matters. They just want their health back. They no longer care about money, about fame, business, position, power, nothing. They just want to be well. So it is something we should think about deeply. For many people, they treat their bodies like it is a machine. They run it until it breaks down. So people skip meals, they sacrifice sleep for work. I'm too busy. I didn't have time to eat. And then they ignore pain or other symptoms from their body. Oh, I'll attend to it later. Or the pain will go. Why are you having that constant headache? They don't care. They just feel I'll keep using a painkiller to care for it. Well, your body is recording every bit of those habits and your body is going to ask for a repayment. Unfortunately, unlike vehicle spare parts or engine parts that are on display in markets, body parts or human organs are not stored somewhere where you can go and make a choice. So it is important that you care for it before the body begins to ask. Because when the body asks for a repayment, it is only then that some people now realize the most important thing in life, which is their health, which they once had, but they ignored. And because they ignored it, they took it for granted. They lost it. In the end, people are now looking for ways to restore their good health. Unfortunately, it is easier to maintain health than to restore a person who has lost that health back to good health. So it is important that you start maintaining your health now. How many times have you seen your lawyer, your investment advisor, your stockbroker, your, you know, fashion designer for ladies, and your makeup artist? How many times have you visited them? Some people visit their makeup artist once, a week, every weekend before they attend their parties. But how many times have you seen a doctor? Some have not seen a doctor this year. And if you have a medical condition, how many times have you done follow up? I need to bring these things to the fore because this is November and in another 6 weeks, the year runs out. And all year round, you have not seen a doctor, you have not done any test, you have not examined your health. Should it be? Because in the end, you would not wish that you had worked more, stressed more, rushed more, or scrolled your phone more. You would wish that you had lived more or loved more. So why not start living now instead of surviving on a daily basis, struggling, waking up tired and all? Why not move your body more to strengthen the body? Why not nourish your body with good food instead of living on junks? Why not spend quality time with family for your mental health? Why not see a doctor for maintenance of your health? You know, why not do all of these things so that you will be prioritizing the most important things in life? I saw this concept, somebody sent it to me, so I did not originate it. And kudos to whoever did it. I give you full credit. But I like the concept because if you look at it, the most important thing of all the things listed is your health. It is number one. If you take away that figure one, every other thing is zero. Wealth, status, career is zero. But if your health, which is number one, remains there, you can multiply every other thing. You can grow wealth, you can grow fame, you can, become anything you want to become. But without your health, you can't do any of these things. So it should set you thinking to do the right things. So start living instead of surviving on a daily basis because you deserve better. Your health, your body deserve better. And start seeing your health as the greatest asset that you have because it is. And start treating your health as the most important thing in your life because your life truly depends on your health. Aside from God, what you need next is your health. So this is the admonition for today. You remember our slogan on this program? It is good health is great wealth. Feel free to say good health is the greatest wealth because indeed it is. I'll see you again next week, God willing, with yet another topic. But before then, this is Dr. Abosede Adegbite, your consultant family physician. Take care of yourself. I'll see you again next week, God willing. Bye.